My name is Joanne Wanjala. I am the Deputy Director for Corporate Communication and Public Relations from the Insurance Regulatory Authority. We are happy we are completing our Bima Mashinani program today. This is our day 4. We started on Monday with the journalist. We met you, sensitized you on the importance of insurance and how to go about it. On Tuesday, we had border riders. On Wednesday, yesterday, we had matatu operators and owners. And today, we are happy that we have another group of stakeholders from different, mostly public sector here, including the Office of the County Commission. So the purpose of this Bima Mashinani is just to ensure that we bring insurance knowledge to the people, because we believe that knowledge is power. As Insurance Regulatory Authority, this is one of the platforms that we use to ensure that we promote the development of the insurance sector. We understand that the insurance uptake is still so low, and one of the gaps that we noticed as an authority is that maybe it's just lack of proper knowledge and awareness around insurance. So we hope that by the end of this program in Kisii County, where we have met more than 320 stakeholders from different groups, we hope that they'll be able to spread the insurance knowledge even to other people. We hope that they'll be our ambassadors to ensure that people take up insurance and that Kenya shines, especially in matters of the insurance sector.
Naitwa Evans Kibagendi kutoka kwa Insurance Regulatory Authority, Corporate Communication. Tumekuja hapa ili tuweze kuhamasisha wananchi kuhusu umuhimu wa Insurance Regulatory Authority na umuhimu wa bima. Sana sana sehemu hii ya Kenya ina wanabiashara wengi sana. Kuna biashara nyingi, kuna walimu na kuna kila kitu. Kwa hivyo idara yetu imeona ni vema tuje ili tuweze kukutana na wananchi kutoka sekta mbalimbali ili tuweze kujadiliana umuhimu wa insurance, kwa sababu bila mnajua kuna majangwa mingi kabisa katika nchi ya Kenya leo wakati huu na dunia mzima. Tusipokuwa na insurance, biashara zetu, maisha yetu na chochote kile tunafanya itakuwa shida. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa, tumezungumzia mambo mengi na tunafuraha sana kwa sababu serikali kutoka kwa county commissioner, the county government wametupatia support, na kuna wananchi wengi sana ambao tumeweza kukutana na kueleza insurance itaweza fanya nini. Insurance Regulatory Authority itaweza ni jinsi gani tutaweza fanya kazi pamoja ili tuweze kueneza umuhimu wa insurance. Na hakika leo na hii wiki mzima tangu Jumatatu tumekuwa tukijadiliana na vitengo mbalimbali za serikali na wananchi, na tumefikiria kwamba tunapotoka hapa anakadiria kwamba wananchi wengi katika eneo hii watachukulia maanani umuhimu wa insurance.
My name is Joseph Maina Toita, the Deputy County Commissioner, Kisii County. Today we are having a session with officers from IRA, that is Insurance Regulatory Authority. They have been here all week trying to educate the common populace here in Kisii about the importance of insurance. They have taken the border people in a session, trying to tell them the importance of having an insurance policy that protects them from the vagaries of insecurity, the vagaries of everyday life. And they have also taken the matatu industry through the same. And the transport industry has now been well educated on how they take insurance, general insurance, the mandatory insurance that the government requires them to have insurance in their motor vehicles and borders. And they have also been able to create partnerships. IRA has also been able to create partnerships with the local populace. That is, we had organizations like teachers' unions, KUPPET, NAT, the business community, civil servants, stakeholders like the Ministry of Interior. They have been able to partner with them so that the populace in huko mashinani can be educated on the importance of having a security, an insurance policy.
Is authorized to license any insurance player, any entity that works within the insurance industry is licensed by the Insurance Regulatory Authority after complying with the requirement of that entity to be registered under the Insurance Act. I'm been told that there are some illegal entities like brokers, agents, and other service providers in the insurance industry who are not licensed and they are carrying on with insurance business. It's our duty here to inform all the citizens of this country that if somebody is carrying on with any services as an insurance, whichever the entity, you are supposed to confirm with the authority and also from them whether they have been licensed. Otherwise, the authority does not give way for any unauthorized players in the industry to be able to carry out any insurance business. It's illegal, and it's illegal even within the Insurance Act. So we appeal to the public, we appeal to the Fourth Estate, that wherever you find people purporting to carry out insurance business or selling insurance or doing services that are licensed by the Insurance Regulatory Authority, you have a duty to report to us. We have already done a lot of sensitization today and the whole week in Kisii, and we have given the numbers. Wherever you feel that there are people who are not authorized and who are carrying those businesses, kindly report to us so that we can be able to send our insurance fraud investigation. The authority has a very strong unit called Insurance Fraud Investigation. The unit is manned by the DCI officers, which have been donated from the DCI office, and they are there to ensure that if there is any fraud in the insurance industry, they are reported and they are able to come and investigate and, if possible, arrest anybody who might be carrying on the fraud or doing business without authority.
So you're optimistic that perhaps you will be able to recover money paid to an illegal broker during the CHAN tournament?
No, that one I may not say. Those are things that the CEO can be able, and once the CEO has been given those information, I'm not privy to that. But we are not like police who walks out and gets information. If we get clear information about any fraud within the insurance industry, and it's reported at the commissioner at the Insurance Regulatory Authority office, definitely the CEO and the board in general, they have power to follow and give, with the support of the police, those perpetrators will be punished according to the law.
What can you talk about the general insurance uptake in the Kisii or Ogusi region in terms of percentage?
Yes, as per the information we have already taken through all the participants, you can see that most of the insurance consumers are based in Nairobi. Nairobi takes like 76% of the general business and 84% of live business. And the other counties that comes close are Mombasa with 5.6, somewhere there, and Kisumu and Eldoret. And most of the counties, they are still very behind in insurance uptake. And the reason we are here in Kisii today, Bima Mashinani, and we have taken all the sectors to ensure that we sensitize members of public to take insurance so that we protect our business, we protect our lives, and we also benefit from the importance of insurance. And I believe as we leave Kisii, we have passed a message, and maybe we'll see Kisii will be competitive in terms of insurance uptake. And we have told all the sectors to ensure that they encourage their members to to benefit from insurance. So I believe it's going to be better as we move forward, particularly for the people who are in Kisii, those who are carrying different activities within the county.
So we do hope that at the end of the day, insurance uptake in Kisii County will be enhanced. We cannot say that Kisii County is one of those counties that have a high intake of insurance. So we believe that at the end of this session, people will be able to take insurance policies, and the general populace will be better protected, and they will also have savings in insurance products.